Are you ready to elevate your career with a globally recognized qualification? At GreenWorldGroup, we proudly present our CQI and IRCA approved Lead Auditor Training Courses designed to empower professionals worldwide. Through live interactive online sessions, we bring international training right to your doorstep. First, we have the ISO 9001-2015 CQI and IRCA Lead Auditor course focused on quality management systems. This program provides you with comprehensive training on the principles and requirements of quality management systems. From understanding the ISO 9001 standards to mastering the audit process as per ISO 19011, you will gain practical skills to plan, conduct and report audits confidently. You'll gain hands-on experience with real-world case studies, audit simulations and practical exercises, preparing you to lead the internal and external audits with confidence. It's perfect for quality managers, internal auditors, consultants and professionals seeking a career as certified lead auditors. Next, the ISO 14001-2015 CQI and IRCA Lead Auditor course designed for those passionate about environmental sustainability and compliance. The course provides you with a strong foundation in environmental management systems. You'll learn how to conduct, manage, and report audits based on ISO 14001 requirements, ISO 19011, and ISO IEC 17021 standards. By the end of the program, you will gain expertise in auditing environmental policies and processes, evaluating legal compliance and obligations, identifying environmental risks and opportunities, leading audit teams with confidence. This course is ideal for EMS auditors, quality and environmental managers, compliance officers, and sustainability professionals looking to build expertise in environmental auditing. And finally, the ISO 45001-2018 CQI and IRCA Lead Auditor course dedicated to occupational health and safety management systems. This training equips you with the knowledge of ISO 45001 requirements, risk management techniques, and the practical skills to plan, conduct, and lead OHSMS audits in line with the ISO 9011 auditing standards. You'll learn how to identify workplace hazards and risks, assess safety performance, recommend corrective actions, and enhance workplace safety culture. It's perfect for safety professionals, OHS managers, compliance officers, and auditors aiming to enhance careers in occupational health and safety. By completing any of these courses, you will receive the prestigious CQI and IRCA certified Lead Auditor certificate, a qualification respected worldwide. This certification strengthens your professional credibility, opens global career opportunities, and equips you with the skills to lead audits that drive the real business improvements. At GreenWorldGroup, we go beyond training. We build global careers. As a NEBOSH Gold Learning Partner, we have delivered over 2,000 NEBOSH batches and trained over 58,000 learners worldwide. With 160,000 professionals trained across 100 plus countries, we stand as a trusted global leader in HSE qualifications. We offer monthly batches for each IRCA Lead Auditor course with the flexibility of both day and evening sessions. And here's the exciting part. You can enroll today with a special discounted offer. Don't miss this opportunity to advance your career, gain international recognition, and join thousands of successful professionals who trust GreenWorldGroup as their global training partner. Contact us now and secure your seat in the next batch. GreenWorldGroup, your partner in global excellence.